Just show y'all what we doing up here, man. 6-inch. A lot of people don't be wanting to show their bikes like that, man. I don't know why. I don't give a damn. Yeah, so I do this every once in a while, just to let the shit run through. I don't know if it's good or not good, but my shit fire up on pool every time. Wall bro, art, you know, K&N, pre-filter, pull start, 2-quart fuel tank. It's a 2-quart. Switch. Torque converter. Real deal. Just if your shit ain't got that right there, back, that motherfucker ain't real deal, and it's okay. You know what I mean? They told me, nigga, that it was alright. I'm cool. I'm gonna run the real shit, and I'm cool. Custom motherfucking sprocket adapter. OMB warehouse. Go grab some shit. Arc header. Comment tap that for me. Yeah. Slick in the back, of course. So yeah, got a little motor down there. With the, of course, extra torque clutch on it. My new little project. I had started with just the front. So yeah, got that. Just, you know what I mean? Just grabbing little pieces from everything to build a fast motherfucker. Period. Because that's what it's all meant to do. Go fast. Hey, Hood up there in Detroit, I see you, man. Putting on for years unbeknownst to motherfuckers, you know what I'm saying? I'm coming up there to fuck with y'all, man. I got French on GPS, my nigga. I'm coming to France, man. Anyway, we gonna move on. Like I said, busting ass. I got the Wheel King. You know what I mean? Y'all like him, man. I need a custom frame. 50-inch wheelbase. G, you know what I mean? GX 390 plate. Set for my offset of my sprocket. Some goodies. From Art. Some goodies from ARC. Yeah, just some little shit, man. Jets, gaskets, pump, motherfucking racing spark plug, side plate, oil caps. This is some shit I got from OGs, but I ain't gonna even speak on that yet. Original Honda jet. That's a 38 jet. I think that's a valve cover. Groundment. Yeah, man, just little shit. Mo jets, 36 jet. Yeah, I'm off of them. Half links, fucking all kind of little shit, man. Go ahead and pull this out since I'm sitting there recording. Like I said, it ain't the motherfucking original, man. It's hard for me. If it ain't the original, it's hard for me, man. Straight from the source. What that say right there? Yeah. Got the 35 in there. And I got the 40, which is all y'all know was another check. This motherfucker don't come with that shit. It don't come with, Go Power Sports. Shout out to Go Power Sports. Go pick up theirs too, man. Got a big ass 40 series I'm about to down there be getting for this. Real shit. But yeah, it's hard for me, so I got to test out some products, man, from other companies and see what I think. But OB Warehouse, appreciate what she had put in. Comet, of course, appreciate what she had put in on pretty much everything. Comet, OMB. I ain't talking about this. It's my son bike. He 14. You know what I mean? He want to go fast, so that's what that right there is about. So we just got to boat him up, and he already, you know what I mean? Whole new back hub assembly. Got the 70 tooth and not the 75 that come on these. That's a 70 tooth right there. You know what I mean? So, yeah, it's my little homie bike, man. 14, he trying to bust ass 2 up there. So, yeah, man, shout out to y'all, man. I got a little mini 4-wheel over here, too, in the works, so don't worry about that. That's coming, man. All you know, I just gotta get the plate from Comet. Easy peasy. Spark it, everything there. All I need to do is put a motor on it. Got the motherfucking thumb throttle. Yeah. 75 tooth. So like I said, man, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Indianapolis, man, we keeping eyes open, man, for the next, you know what I mean, runners, because we running, man. I do got 2 more bikes upstairs, and I know ain't no point if I ain't gonna show it to you. There you go, man. It's the Honda. Really, it's a Baja. I call it the Baja Honda. Just motor. That's all. I got the chain already. Yeah. That says plenty around here, man. Plenty. So, yeah. Y'all get ready, man.